Hey guys, this is Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. And welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now, today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a corrupted or unreadable SD card. So that's what I'm going to do today. So what you need is your SD card that is corrupted or unreadable, which I have one with me right now. So step one, you want to plug your SD card into your computer with a card reader, which I'm going to do that right now. So I'm taking out the SD card from my SD card case right now. And I just plugged my SD card into my computer right now. And before I do anything else, I want to show you guys the proof that my SD card is not accessible. And see right there, it's not accessible. The file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. So that is the problem because I can't go to my SD card to look all of my files on what I have. So to fix that, you want to go to the search bar right here and you want to type in CMD, which is command prompt, and then once you see this shows up, you want to right click on it and you want to click on Run as Administrator. And it's going to ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You want to click Yes. And once you are on here, you want to type in this CHKDSK and then the volume drive letter. Like this depends on uh, what removable disk or SD card or your USB. That depends on what drive is your letter on. Like for example, my SD card is the letter drive F. So I'm gonna type in F and then the colon punctuation, and you wanna click space and you wanna type in this, which is slash and then F. And then once you've done that, you wanna uh, press enter on your keyboard, and it's gonna do the process. And then if you see this questions on the bottom right here on the administrator command prompt, it's asking you if you want to convert lost change to files, and that's either a yes or no. And I don't know about that, so I might going to hit Y for yes on the keyboard, and I want to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so looks like it's already done. Windows has made corrections to the file system. No further action is required. And so yeah. And so if you see this right here, uh, and then this thing shows up, it means that your SD card is now fixed and is now accessible again. So yeah, that's how you fix your corrupted or unreadable SD card. So I hope that this helps you out, um, and I also hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And peace out, everybody.